Hello, my name is Naomi and welcome to Creating Naomi, where I make all kinds of things. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this lavender soap. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, just keep watching. So the first thing I do is prepare my lye water solution. I am just using water and lye or sodium hydroxide, and I'm making sure to wear my safety goggles, my long rubber gloves, my long sleeves, my long pants. I am as safe as I can possibly be because this stuff does get super hot and can be really dangerous. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and weigh out my shea butter. I also will be using some olive oil and coconut oil. Here I'm just adding some titanium dioxide. This is mainly for the color because the olive oil does tend to make it a little bit yellow. This will just brighten it up. Here I am adding a lavender essential oil from Brambleberry. This is the 4042 and it smells scrum-diddly-umptious. And then I am just blending all my oils together. Because I'm using shea butter, it's a little bit chunky. I'm working in a hot climate, so it's pretty soft, and I knew that once I started blending it up, it would be fully blended together, but I don't know, maybe you'd want to melt it if you're working in a colder climate. I did not have an issue here. Then I just add in my lye water solution, screw the cap on and set that aside, and start blending until I reach the consistency I like. Now that it's ready, I just pour it into the mold. If you'd like, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Creating Naomi. I tend to be a little bit more active on there, showing more behind the scenes and stuff like that. Now I'm just going ahead and texturing the top, or just like playing around and seeing what I can do. It didn't really end up mattering anyways, because as you'll see in a second, I just poured a buttload of lavender buds on top, and I will not be doing that again because they just turned brown and mostly fell off anyways, but it was fun to try anyways. I think this was about 48 hours later that I unmolded this. I think it really depends on your climate, but I'm working in a pretty humid climate, so it takes a little bit longer for my soap to set up. It's still pretty soft even after 2 days, so I'm just working it out of the mold and then I will be cutting it up. So here I am using just a cheese cutter to cut my soap, and I again made a mistake by cutting down with the lavender buds on top because it was just grabbing onto them and just raking through the soap, so I will definitely be turning it on its side if I ever do anything on the top again. And I also just like to use my crinkle cutter too for a few slices of it. It's just fun to switch it up, and I'm just testing my tools out really. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and a big thank you to anybody who has supported my channel. Thank you so much. If you'd like to support me, you can check out my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much.